sheet. So the full name, complete name. Then what you have to do is, the mini project, see 10 marks are there for your mini project. Tutorials 10 marks and mini project 10 marks. Presentation you have to do. And it is not related to your mini project of other your major subjects branch. It is mathematics mini project. Okay. So I will just share you some of the sample and what exactly you should have. I think the format I have been uploaded in the Google Classroom. It should be uniformly, everyone should follow the same thing. Uniformity should be maintained. Okay. And group members, 4 to 5 students in a group. It should not be less than 4 or it should not be more than 5 also. Okay, minimum 4, maximum 5. We don't want more students in a group. And whenever you are choosing a topic, you have to choose from the syllabus. That is, you just go through the syllabus. Otherwise, even in the books which I have uploaded, syllabus is there. In the syllabus of Engineering Mathematics 3, self-learning topics are there. Okay. So you have to choose any of the one module, not all the 6 modules. In one module, you go through the self-learning topics. In one topic, among the self-learning topic, you choose any one topic only. Okay. After choosing that, first module selection, then topic selection, then comes the title. So the title, always when you give a title should not be a 1 or 2 words. Okay, it should be a detailed one. Don't just give 1 word title or 2 word title. Okay, so that. So in the Google form, everything has to be filled up. That is, I think I'll give 3 days time for that. Discuss with your friends. Go through the syllabus, understand the topics and self-learning topics. Those topics I will not teach in the class. So you have to gather the information from net or books or any other sources. Okay. And you have to make make a PPT and then you have to do the present. Every group member has to give the presentation. You can divide the slides that is in your project and then you have to give the presentation. Once this tutorial is completed, I will start the presentation schedule. And before that, everyone, I will give you a date. Before that, everyone has to upload the mini project in your Google Classroom. Okay. That is where you have to upload first. So first, I will just show you. Is it clear now? So in Google Form, all the details you give. Google Form, I will post now. That is by the end of this lecture, I will post the Google Form. So I am giving you 3 days time. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can have your discussion. You can go through the websites where you are getting information, which topic you are interested, your group. Every member contribution should be there. It is not like that one student does everything, others are just simply sitting. Everyone should give some contribution to that. And collective, it is a collective response. Okay, collectively you have to complete the project and upload. When I give the date, it has to be uploaded. Okay, then the presentation schedule will come. And the next important thing is, I think by Monday you will be having tutorial number 3 and by Monday you have to upload, fill the Google form for the mini project. Later I will not accept, I will close the link. So by 3 days I am giving you time. So discuss everything and then you give that form. If those who are attending the lectures, also you inform them. If they are not filling that proper and then giving the title, their 10 marks will go to 0 marks. That you inform. I am very particular in that. Is there any doubt in this till this? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now you just see, I will show you some of the sample. screen is visible? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No? Let's share. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So this logo, college name, and here don't put applied mathematics. Now what is the thing you are having? Engineering mathematics. So you have to put the first slide. Everyone should have a common like this. First slide. Engineering mathematics 3 mini project. And what is your course code? You have IT means your IT 301, ITC 301 that. And which is your academic year that you write. Okay. And title, your title is not included. So title also should come in this slide. Okay. So first slide should have logo, college name, this which subject, that is engineering mathematics 3, then your course code, academic year, and then title. Okay, title also should come over in the first slide. Okay. And then the second slide. So after giving the title also you have to write over there. After giving like this. So who all are the group members, your roll number and your UID. Should be a second slide. Okay. Then third slide, you should have a introduction or abstract like that, whatever you have. Then after that, you should have an overview of your presentation. So the first slide is very clear. It should be of standard format. Second also clear. Third one, from third onwards, you should actually start from introduction or abstract. You can give an overview also in one slide. Okay, so what exactly is there? So like that, some 8 to 10 slides you make, some problems or whatever is there in this, which is not there in your see, or these are all whatever the things whichever is there included in the self-learning topic, like that. So whatever your problems is there, that you have to give. And then after completion, this is very important. After your 8 to 9 slides, application part. So why we are studying all those things? That is, whatever the topic you are choosing, that slide, their application, that has to be mentioned. Okay. So that is applications, 1 or 2 slides, wherever it is applied. Signal processing. So whatever the application, 2-3 slides. Then last, you will be having whatever that application. After that, not directly here, you have to have conclusion, 1 slide. Last slide will be your conclusion. So what exactly you have done, and conclusion slide. Then after that, references, where you have referred, Wikipedia or Google, which website or which book you are referred, like that. Okay. So if you are unable to, so like this, you have to make our presentation. Okay, so I will just show another project also. So not in like this in the first slide. You have whatever the first slide, and second slide only your name and roll number should come. Okay. Then your introduction, problems, whatever is there, like this. After that, your application. So what exactly your, in that slide I will show. Wait. Some students have done very nicely. So engineering maths, mini project, your code you have to mention. Then the name and all, roll number, name. Then like this abstract. What exactly in that? Then introduction. Then after some 4-5 slides, your problems, whatever is there, some 6 slides you can have, whatever according to your topic. Then last, you will be having the application. I think application. So after application, conclusion should be there. Okay, so what's your project? So after that, reference slide. Last slide will be your reference slide. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I think the format I will.
Yes, ma'am.
I have already uploaded. Whether you have checked your Google Classroom, I think I have already uploaded. If not, I will upload the general format, not this one, the general format. Like that, any topic you can choose. So you have n number of 6 modules you have. So among the 6 modules, you can have but the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See here the module number 4. Why I am showing the syllabus? You should know what exactly is there. This module number 4 only we have completed, complex variables. I'll just read what exactly in your syllabus. Functions of a complex variables and continuity, limits, differentiability. That is, you all these things, continuous functions, differentiability, all these things you have studied in your 12th standard basics. But here, when a function is analytic, the necessary condition should be function should be continuous and differentiable. Okay, only the sufficient condition is CR equations. So for that only it is given the necessary and the CR equation, Cauchy-Riemann equations in Cartesian form without proof. So how the proof is not required. How the Cauchy equation has come, that is not required. Only the implementation part. Then Milne-Thomson method. Okay, so in Milne-Thomson method, 4 different types. Then harmonic function, harmonic conjugate, and orthogonal trajectory. So 4.1 to 4.3, 4.4. These 4 sub-modules in this, that is there in your complex variables. Is it clear? So all these things have been completed. And already I told you in your examination pattern, there is a change this time. You will have more descriptive part. So 60 marks will be there for descriptive part and only MCQ 20 marks. That's why I'm keeping class test, practice test. Okay, so on Tuesday, 5th October, you have to give the descriptive test, practice test for Laplace transform 1. That is your first in Laplace transform, module number 1. And on Thursday, you have to give on module number 2, inverse Laplace transform. Descriptive, not MCQ. That you keep. It's a practice test. Because this time your focus should be for descriptive, and descriptive all the time don't expect when the problems are given example, just we can copy from the book. They can give any problem. Concept you have to understand. In mathematics, for example, in your class, 50 students are there, I can give 50 problems. Whereas by slight changes, plus, minus, cube, square, like that. So better understand the concept. Don't try to copy from the book or notes wherever you are getting the sample problems or example problems. Okay. So that is why you have to give, and you need a lot of practice for descriptive. So this class practice test will help definitely for your class test as well as end semester. Okay. So now I will share the Google link for the project, mini project Google link before Monday. That is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Before Monday, everyone has to fill. Decide, go through the topics, self-learning. See here, every module has self-learning. Why I have chosen this? See here, self-learning topic. Here you have pre-dot function, AB side, direct delta. In the first one, error function. Second one, application to solve boundary value problems. Orthogonal, orthonormal set of functions in Fourier. So any topic you can choose. Okay, for your mini project. So that is the reason. Now I'll share the link. So 2 Google link. One is for attendance that you have to fill now. And for this Google link for mini project, I'm giving you time. Just think, decide, and then you can do it. Is it clear? Group members decision, module decision, topic decision, module decision, and then title. Title should not be 1 word or 2 words. It should be an elaborate title. And every topic, whatever you are choosing for mini project, definitely application should be given. And references. Last slide should be reference slide. Is it clear? Any other doubt is there? So 3 modules done. Any other doubt is there? I will just share the So the link which I've shared now, this is for mini project. Mini project in engineering maths 3. Okay, so this you have to fill before Monday. Attendance link I will share now. If you have any doubt or any clarification in the mini project, you can tell. In the Google Classroom, I think I've already uploaded. Otherwise, I will upload now. We'll check it. The format, that is the general format. What way it has to be. Everyone. Just now I've showed you the sample, so it has to be uniformly maintained. It's not like that one. So maximum 15 slides are sufficient. To give more slides also, we will not get time. So this is your attendance link. Fill your attendance link now. Any doubt is there? You can ask.